Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm good.
Have you had your breakfast today?
Yes.
Okay. So actually today, I feel a bit overwhelmed regarding the recent issues about. Have you heard current issue?
What issue?
Regarding,
Which one? There's a lot of issues.
Regarding that 19 years old girl got murdered by a man.
I think I heard from my mother.
She got stabbed a lot.
Yes.
What do you guys think about that?
So sad.
It's scary.
If you are a parent, what do you feel when you heard about your child, your children got murdered?
Sad. Very sad.
I'm shocked.
So actually, some of you guys may heard about that. So actually, my point is, when news like this spreads on social media, many people start sharing opinions or videos and comments without thinking carefully, right? So some comments can create more fear or negativity. You guys agree with me?
Yes.
Right. So that is why we should learn to discuss sensitive issues respectfully and not spread harmful information or rumors. Okay? That is very important. Thank you guys for your thoughts. I appreciate it. So now let's move on with our lesson today. So we have just celebrated Hari Raya, right?
Yes.
How do you guys feel about Hari Raya?
Happy.
I'm happy. I got a lot of money.
Yes.
What do you guys eat during Hari Raya?
Nasi pek.
Rendang. A lot of rendang.
I love nasi pek.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about reading. Today we are going to learn about reading skills, and the topic is about Hari Raya. Alright? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's start our lesson.
Okay, now I will be giving you some materials for you to look at while I'm teaching. Everyone will get to. Okay, there is two types of reading text. The first one is linear and another one is non-linear text. Okay? For the linear text, we have a story, speech, factual passage, newspaper report, letter, poem, dialogue, and narrative, which means there is no visual in the text. Next, we have a non-linear text. We have a table, label, notice, or advertisement, poster, graph, or chart. Means in the non-linear text, there will be a visual. Okay, now look at the screen. Look at how I break down this poster. First, we look at the header. Okay, you can look at your poster. We look at the header. I am circling the top part. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, I am circling the top part. Even though it's at the top, you must read it carefully. In this festival, the whole country or just a specific part?
Just a specific part.
Okay, correct. Accuracy is the key. Okay, now look at the date and time bar. If the question asks for the total hours the festival is open daily, what should you do?
The answer is plus out.
No,
we have to calculate from 9
From 3
a.m.
Yeah, we need to calculate because the question that I asked for the total hours. So we need to calculate between the 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so that's why you must read the numbers carefully, which is for the total hours is 12 hours, right? Now let's look at the main attraction. I am putting a box I am putting a box around these 3 points. Now look at the adjective. If it doesn't just say meal, it says slow cooked spicy meat. If the question asks for this description, don't just write meal. You need to write the whole sentence, which is slow cooked spicy meat. And now, underline the full description on your paper now. Underline the slow cooked spicy meat.
Can you have pencil?
Slow cook spicy meat, right?
Yeah.
Then teacher.
Okay, now let's take a look to spatial of a box here. Now I am circling this part. There is a specific condition here, which is if you wear a modern t-shirt, do you get a free drink? What do you think?
No teacher. Because it says traditional outfit and yeah, who wear that traditional outfit can get free drink.
Exactly. Now, this is why you must read carefully. One wrong word and your answer is just wrong. Okay, now mark the word traditional. Okay, as a must-have keyword.
Then teacher.
Now, finally, look at the very bottom. Most students ignore the small text, which is now I am pointing into the footer. Okay? If I ask you, where should I park in my car? Where should I park my car? Then where is the answer?
At get B.
Okay, correct. See, even the smallest text at the bottom is very important. So on your paper, I want you to circle gate B and 3 anchors for everyone. We must read from the top to the very bottom to make sure we don't miss anything if it comes to a linear text, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, class, eyes on the screen, everyone. So, do you think this is a linear or non-linear text? Why do you think it's a linear text?
Because it doesn't have any pictures.
Okay, good job. Okay, so now I am circling the title, the festival of the gratitude. If the exam asks for the theme, look at the word gratitude. Okay? Based on the first paragraph, what is the synonym of gratitude? Is it just saying thank you?
No teacher. It's about victory and practicing self-discipline.
Okay, correct. Okay, now write down the words appreciation and discipline next to the title of your paper. We are learning to identify the main theme. Okay, now done everyone?
Done, teacher.
Okay. Okay, now everyone look at paragraph 1. I am underlining the words migration. Okay. Look at the sentence very carefully. Where are the people going?
I think the people going to backyard and children's homes.
Okay, correct. Now I am drawing the arrow from migration to the words love and respect. Okay, class, why did I link these two?
Is it because the symbol of
parents? Is the purpose of an action?
Okay, excellent. Now link those 2 points on your paper now. This is how you find the purpose of an action. Okay, now move your eyes to the second paragraph. I am highlighting the word forgiveness. Forgiveness ceremony. Be very careful here. Most students only see the shaking hands part. But look at what I am circling now, which is emotionally healing. Emotionally healing. If I ask you, what is the benefit of this ceremony, what will you say?
It brings emotional healing and strengthening the bond between relatives.
Okay. Correct. Don't just give the action, you must give the result as well. Highlight the emotional healing on your paper. Okay, then class?
We're done, teacher.
Okay, now let's look at the food. I am boxing the phrase special rice cake with wrapped in palm leaf and slow cooked meat enriched coconut gravy. If you want full marks, you must copy the exact description. Are you underlining it now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, last one. Look at the very final sentence. It says the spirits about kindness and humans connection. I am underlining it now. If the question asks, what is the most important lesson? Where do we usually find the answer in the story?
At the end of the text, teacher.
Correct. The ending provides the moral value. Copy that the whole sentence as your final main point. So then we are done. Now I want you to work in pairs, which is I give you a group A and you are group B, okay? Okay, now I will be handing you some materials. You are group A and you are group B. Okay, now your task is to find the key points and main ideas from your specific materials that I've given you. I will give you 5 to 7 minutes to discuss and write down your answers in your notebook with your partner. Your time start. Time's up. Let's discuss what you have found. We will start from group A first, which is the poster group, then group B, please listen carefully. Okay, for group A, what is the event and when it is happening?
The event is about special Hawaiian birthday promotions, and it happens at Waterside from the Waterside. And it's happening on 15th of April until 15th of April. And the time is set on 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's only 3 hours and 50 minutes.
Okay, great job. Now, what are the attractions? Can Lisa tell me please?
For me, I would like for the attraction, maybe it's for early bird special. Like for those who book before 10 April, they will get 15% off for the total bill. Or the menu also can be the attraction. It's so delicious.
Okay, now sorry, thank you Lisa for the answer. Now group B, I want to ask you about your class. When did you bring Adam to first thing in the morning?
Let me answer first. So, Alan put on his brand new American baju Melayu that his mother had bought for him.
Okay, great. He wore the traditional clothes, just like the text suggests. Okay, now Fatin, what traditional foods did Adam's family prepare?
Foods, right, teacher?
Yes.
Spicy chicken rendang and freshly boiled ketupat filled the boiled ketupat.
Okay. I think there is another food. Can you say?
Oh yeah, it's Malay cookies, kuih tat and kuih bangkit.
Okay, correct. That sounds very delicious. Okay. For the last question to the group B, what is the highlight of the true meaning for Raya Koala?
I think I will try, teacher.
Okay.
I think based on what I read, it says seeing his cousin who live far away in Johor. So that he loved about being together with people that he loved.
Okay, the keywords love is important there, right? Okay, correct. That's perfectly matches the text tip. Now, give yourself a big round of applause. Everyone is doing an amazing job connecting to the clues. Okay.
Alright everyone, are you guys okay?
Yes, very good.
Right. Okay, so it seems like you guys already understand how to find main idea and specific details in both linear and non-linear text. So now, I will give you a money packet. Money packet. Okay, it doesn't have money in it, but it has questions. This is to make sure that you understand better. Okay, so I will give it to you now. Can I have the green one, teacher?
Blue.
Okay. Right, you have it. Okay, now you can answer the question based on the screen. If you cannot see the screen clearly, you can see the text on the table. It's just the same text as before. Okay. Alright, so I will give you about 3 minutes to answer. It's just a simple one. So you may start now. So it has 3 types of questions. It may be a true-false question, WH question, or multiple choice questions.
we are done.
You guys question?
They already clear for teacher?
I'm done.
I think yes.
We wait to A. Okay. Alright. Who wants to volunteer to answer their question?
Ami.
Abi. Okay, what question you get?
So I got a question there. Why do you think Adam felt excited on Hari Raya morning?
So where did you get the answer?
In first paragraph of the best story ever. The answer is today was the first day of Hari Raya Aidilfitri. That was the answer.
Alright, correct.
Oh, okay.
The other
Second one.
question now.
Oh, it's about the
Poster.
it's about the poster. Customers can get a discount if they book before 10 of April. It's true.
Why you say that the answer is true?
Because it says that early special book before 10 of April and get 15 of the total bill.
Correct. Alright, thank you, Ami. Next. Fatin, you want to
Okay. For the linear text, I got the question, why do you think the writer described the smell and sounds in the house? It is in the last paragraph. The house was soon filled with laughter, chatter, and the sound of children playing with sparklers in the garden.
Right, correct. Yeah. Good job, Fatin.
Okay, and the other questions. Customers can get a discount if they book before 10 April. I think it's true.
Is it about poster?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Where did you get the answer?
The one that say early bird special. Because my question is customers can get a discount if they book before 10 April.
Oh yeah, right, correct. Right. Thank you, Fatin. Good job. The next. Okay.
So my first question is, in your opinion, why is spending time with family important during Hari Raya? So I found the answer in paragraph 3 and 4. The first answer is the younger family is important because the younger family members approach the elders to seek forgiveness for any mistake made during the year. And also, Raya was truly about being together with the people.
Correct. Thank you, Anna. The
And
next question.
next question about the poster. Why do you think the restaurant gave free meals for tutors? I choose answer B. To attract families with young children.
Alright, correct. Lisa?
Okay. First is about poster. He said the main purpose of the poster is to advertise weekend entertainment. I say it was false.
Can you say it out loud? I cannot hear you.
The main purpose of the poster is to advertise weekend entertainment only. They give me true or false, so I say it's false because I don't know the date.
Yeah, it's actually correct.
Oh yeah.
Good job, Lisa. The next question.
Why? Let's see. So, why do you think the restaurant includes traditional dishes like lemon and red onion? I say because it says special Hari Raya buffet promotion, and I had some words because the restaurant also named Barisan Kampung, so it's traditional.
Alright, right, correct. Good job, guys. So it seems like you guys already understand how to find main ideas and specific details. So I think that's all for today's lesson. Before we end our lesson today, I want to ask you a question. So my question is, what have you learned today about today's topic? Correct. Good job, Anna. Fatih?
I learned how to find important details in poster and linear algebra.
Alright. Thank you, Fatih. Good job. Lisa? Okay.
I learned about we need to read the full passage and highlight the important words.
Keywords, right?
Keywords.
Alright. Thank you, Lisa. Amni?
I learned how to find the keywords in the text and in the poster.
Good job, thank you. Alright, good job everyone. So now you can go back home and spend time with your family, alright? So have a great weekend everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Welcome.